If your car gets stuck in traffic and you're furious, would you leave it behind and start walking? Sounds ridiculous, right? But every single day, people do exactly that with their dreams. Imagine you've been sitting in traffic for 20 minutes. Cars aren't moving, people are honking, someone cuts in front of you. Your hands tighten on the steering wheel and you feel like screaming for 1 second. For a moment, you think, I'm done with this, but no matter how angry you get, the traffic won't disappear because of your emotions. Life works the same way. A failed business, a bad grade, a breakup, a rejection email, or a slow YouTube channel can feel like a traffic jam. That's when most people quit, not because they reached the end, but because they confuse delay with defeat. Imagine leaving your car in the middle of the highway only for the road to clear a few minutes later and everyone else to keep driving except you. That's what happens when people give up too early. They leave right before life starts moving again. So the next time life feels stuck, don't abandon the journey. Stay calm, stay ready, because traffic always moves. And so will your life. Now let me ask you again. If your car is stuck in traffic, would you really leave it behind and walk away? Subscribe for more videos.